Good evening, everyone. I'm Pradeep Swar, and like you said, I just returned late last week from serving as a fellow, Dimmitt Fellow in Entrepreneurship with Christopher J. Swanson, attorney at law in Chicago, Illinois. My main objective during my fellowship was to help a lawyer practicing 25 years of public defense set up and transition into private practice. It's a very broad area and has a lot of scope. We started with trying to market private practice. We tried to make a website, and we still haven't been able to launch it because we've created an infrastructure, but we still are waiting for the associates to get on board after they finish the bar exams in August. And one of my main duties during the fellowship was to research various private practices to set up a management structure tailored for this particular firm. I also had to job shadow my site mentor and made frequent trips to courts all around the greater Chicago area, and also assisted with cases, calls, and miscellaneous activities such as sending out correspondence to clients and prospective clients as well as old clients, creating a whole new business plan with 2 associates on board, and also printing new business cards and trying to increase our sphere of influence. At the office, that is my site mentor, and since it is a startup private law firm, we had several offices that we worked from. One was at home. This is the at-home office, and we had 2 shared offices downtown in the city with other lawyers. The work, effective marketing strategies. The biggest marketing strategy for a upcoming new law firm in a place like Chicago, where the whole advertising market is saturated with big names and big players, the best option we could take was referrals, because they cost less and make us more money. Attorney and client referrals were our biggest thing we were looking at. We also networked with many different professionals. I also got to meet the Illinois Congressman Quigley, and we networked with Jenner and Block, which is a very big law firm employing dozens of lawyers, top-notch lawyers in the city. Human resources management. I actually helped recruit 2 of the associates that we're hiring from the John Marshall Law School, and they're at the top of their law class. Handling calls and appointments, and making court calls and actually going to trial on a case. Apparently only 5%, roughly about 5% of all cases that lawyers have throughout their life goes to trial, so I was pretty fortunate with that. The experience, it's pretty narcissistic, but that's me. That is me sitting on the mayor of Chicago's chair in his chambers. Great networking. One of the best things I got out of my experiences working with establishing a private law firm was I got to learn the day-to-day operations of such a practice. I also learned the organizational perspectives of working with a firm of such size and such standards that have been set up. I also helped sign clients in and out of court. We also handled referrals. We're trying to, I actually helped my site mentor set up a whole referral side of the business, where if you get a case and you're not really a criminal lawyer, you can refer the client to some other criminal lawyer, and you still get 1/3 of the pay without doing anything. We assisted in private investigation and discovery. I actually went out on PI duties, and before the trial, went out to different parts of the city, took pictures, found out that the police had lied throughout the police reports. So we tried to contest that, and also meeting numerous other attorneys, private and public, within the city, and attending lawyer conferences, like I talked about at Jenner and Block. We also went to trial, and we won 1 count and lost 4. So we filed a motion for retrial, which we won, but I'm not there to witness that. Moving forward, I've been offered a job to work on with the firm and manage the business and human resources and relations bit. The internship has also geared me towards clarifying my goals as to what I want to do next. I thought I wanted to become a PhD in economics, but I'd rather go do MBA and work with businesses. It's also increased my personal networks and ability to multitask in newer environments. I'd like to thank J.G. Dimmitt, my trustee, my site mentor, Christopher J. Swanson, who's still in court, probably, my faculty sponsor, Todd Noop, who can be here, and R.J. Holmes Leopold, Jason Nepoli, and all the staff of the Career Engagement Center who help students like us get great experiences and benefits out of our education. Thank you.